find these at these type of stores, and it comes with chocolates and
Let's see what's inside. Okay, so we got our bananas
and chocolate.
And inside here, and it comes with the chocolate.
Yes, you have to melt it.
And you have some
Sticks.
popsicle sticks, so you can put your bananas on the stick like this.
Let me see. So that's how you do it, guys.
Okay, we gotta put this in the freezer. Okay, get 4 bananas.
4.
That's okay. We're not opening that yet.
Alright, so this is how you're doing it, guys.
Be careful, be careful.
If you guys don't know how to do this, we are gonna tell you to tap if you want to do this.
Okay, so we got our 4 bananas, and now we need to peel them. So we'll be right back.
Ready?
Okay, I'm recording you.
Okay, so now I'm peeling the bananas. Now open the chocolate.
Be careful.
Can I pick you? Okay.
No, not yet. We're not doing that yet.
Okay.
Right now we're peeling the bananas.
So this is how you do it. If you need help, ask parents for permission. If you are gonna cut these, if you want your bananas to be cutted and you want to dip them, it's all right. You can cut these, but ask parents permission to do this. Ooh, I broke it. It's okay.
Oh, it's okay.
It's okay. I broke it, but it's okay. What?
We'll figure it out. We might not be able to use this piece, but go ahead.
Oh, we're done.
No, you got 1 more banana. Okay.
Looks like we're all.
Okay,
Alright,
so now all
we
your
got
bananas
4
are
bananas.
peeled, right?
Yeah.
And now, Aubrey, can you throw out the trash?
Yes, I'll throw it out. Chocolate.
Thank you. And now we're gonna cut these in half. So let's go ahead and get ourselves a. Hey, you want that piece?
I want it.
You want the little piece?
No, I want to throw it in the trash.
You're gonna throw it in the
No,
trash?
give it to me. If you don't want it, then I'll eat it.
Okay, well Aubrey's gonna eat it. Alright, I need a butter knife so I can cut these in half. So go ahead and cut your bananas in half here.
The parents say it's okay.
Okay, that's 1. That's 2.
Mom, can I show you doing the? Can I show them doing the floss
No.
after the video?
Okay, so now our bananas are all cut in half. This one's kind of too long, so let's just cut a little off of it. Who wants that piece? Now that your bananas are all cut in halves,
You guys did
like so, now you want to open your sticks. You gotta stick the sticks
Can I try? Can I try? I'm trying.
through the middle.
Okay.
Just a little bit. You don't have to put it too much.
Look at mine's, Jace. Mine.
Oh, okay, good job. Let me see yours, Jace.
Banana.
All right, let's do the other ones. Put those down.
Okay,
Put those down. Get another one.
Oh, stick. Give me one.
Okay, let's do another one. Be careful, okay? You're only gonna put a little bit of the stick and pay attention. Do it right in the middle. Whoa.
Is that okay? Is this okay?
Good job, Jace.
Is this okay?
Yeah, that's good. At the back.
Nina, stick Nina. Nina. Call you Nina. Mommy, I'm excited. To pick the
Now that your bananas are all on the sticks, now we have to put it in the freezer for an hour. So go ahead and open the freezer, Aubrey.
Okay.
That's the refrigerator, Jace. The freezer.
Freezer. No, let me do it.
Okay, now we gotta find somewhere to put our bananas. Let's sit our banana
Up the top.
pops in here for an hour. It is 4:01. We will be back at 5:01.
Chocolate treasure. Not chocolate treasure.
All right, let's see if our bananas are frozen and good to go. Close the freezer, Aubrey.
We're gonna do. What's the banana thing?
Banana pops.
Today we're gonna do banana pops. We already said that.
Okay, so they look all frozen to go. So the next step, Now, this is our bag of chocolate here. So we are waiting for our hot water. Let's see if it is ready. Let's see. Okay.
Now you see your hot boiling water. Now you're gonna put this in here.
Be careful because it's very hot.
Okay.
Just let it sit in there.
And let it sit in there for a couple minutes.
Okay, so we are gonna let this melt our chocolate a little bit there. It says to leave it for 3 to 4 minutes, so we'll be back in 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so now I think it's all, look, it's going to the bottom of the bag, so I think it's good to go now for us to go ahead and cut the corner and pour this out into this cup we have here, and then we're gonna dip our bananas in there. So let's do
it. You're gonna pour out the chocolate that you have, and then when you pour out the chocolate, there's like, if you see like more chocolate coming out, that's extra chocolate, and then you have extra.
Yeah, but we want to get all of the chocolate out of the bag.
Yeah, but if you have like extra bananas and then you have like not enough chocolate.
So now we have our chocolate all melted in the cup.
Now we just have to dip in.
Hold on. Okay, let's get a plate. So go ahead and pick your banana that you want to dip.
Let me dip with this one. I want to dip mine. Whoa. Can I dip mine? Okay.
Come on, Jace, your turn.
Come up here. He's getting his banana. Then you're gonna let it dry. Mom, it's already dry.
Oh.
Dip it in. And let it, sorry
All
guys.
right, go ahead.
Okay, my turn now. He didn't save enough chocolate for me.
There's a bunch of chocolate in there. Are you serious?
Okay, mine's. Now do yours. Okay, then my turn. I'm getting this big one. And I'm gonna put like this much. I don't know how much I'm gonna put in, but I don't care. I put a lot of. Okay. If they get stuck together and you don't have no more space, it's alright. And they're, Jace, that's not how you do it. Look, I'm gonna help you, Jace. Like this. Alright, guys. Just put it
Okay,
right
that's
here.
fine. And these are our banana pops.
Now we can eat them.
Good.
Now we get to eat them. That's mine. Give me. I'm gonna get my big one. Oh, give me.
Okay.
Yummy.
Yummy?
It looks like ice cream.
Try yours. Let me see, Jace. Take a bite. Is it yummy?
Yeah. And that's how you make this chocolate banana.
Banana pops.
Banana pops. Subscribe to the video and like our video. And thank you. Bye, guys. Thank you. Bye, guys. Be what? Bye.